Students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you. Home tutor is with you. Today is we are uploading this lesson 13 of CBSE curriculum, grade 10. I was thinking that to make it in parts, but it will be 2 parts and it will not be nice. So just let's start only in one part. Ad-Dars 13 fi Maidan al-La'ab means fi in the playground. Maidan means ground, al-La'ab means play. Okay, La'ab means play. Yaskun Muhammadun wa Hamidun wa Ahmadu fi harrati sakinatin wahidatin fi New Delhi wa yadrasuna fi madarsati wahidatin waqiyatin bilqurbi min harratihim. Because I am reading as it is written. Otherwise, only just in general we will read this Yaskunu Muhammad wa Hamid wa Ahmad fi Harra Sakina. Okay, like this we can read other word, but it is the text, that's why we have to read and you should. Second means here means live. Yaskan, why they are saying? Because of Muhammad and Hamid and Ahmad. Okay, so because these are the singular, that's why Yaskan. Okay, otherwise it would be they live means Taskun, ta we would use. So Yaskun, Muhammad, these are the names. Ahmad, fi in Hara means Mantaqa or the area. Sakina means residential, so residential area. Wahida means same or one. Fi New Delhi, in New Delhi. Wa yadrusun, again ya they are coming because these are one, not collective noun. So yadrusun, and they daras means study, or yadrusun for many they are using, so yadrusun. Okay, fi madarsa wahida means same school, okay, or one school. Waqiya means situated or located. Bilqurb means near from Haratihim, their locality. Okay, so what will be the on this translation? Muhammad, Hamid and Ahmad live in the same residential area in New Delhi. Okay, from here it is the translation. Now wa yadrasun, and they are studying in one or same school situated near from their area. See, bilqurb near, min haratihim from their area or locality. Okay, from their area and locality. Now fi yawm khalala fitra, one day during the break time. Khalala, fatra means time, khalal means break. Okay, one day during the break time. Al Isra Bada Muhammad Marizan Walam Yakul Shayan Watu Tawajjah Ma Hamid Ahmad Ilil Maidan Al Madarsa Wataja Ilil Maidan. Okay, Al Madarsa. So one day during the break time, Muhammad start getting sick. See, Isra Bada Muhammad. Isra means start. Okay, getting start sick. Marizan means sick. And he did not eat. Walam means not, did not. Yakul nothing. Shay'an means anything. He did not eat anything and went to Watahuju and towards an approach, okay? Towards Ma Hamid, with Hamid, and went with Hamid and Ahmad to the Maidan al Madrasa, to the school playground, okay? To the school playground. Fara'u ba'azan min al tullab bi yal'abuna kurrat al qadam, and they saw some students are playing football. Faratu ba'azan, Fara'u, and he saw, okay? Fara'u, Fara'wa, he saw. We can say or they can say, okay? Yeah, they, because they are going, na? So Hamid, Ahmad. So, and they saw some students are playing. Inzam, Hamid wa Ahmad alayhim. Ahmad and Hamid joined them. Inzam means joined. Okay? Muzare will jawazma. So next page, walakinna, okay, walakinna Muhammadan lam yashtarik fil lab, but Muhammad did not join. Lam yashtarik, okay, lam yashtarik means did not join or take part. See, sorry, this is typing mistake. Take part in the play or game. Yashtarak fil lab, did not join or did not take part in the game. Fawaqafa wajaniba, he stand to a side. Li tafarraja, okay, to watch. Janaba li tafarraja alallab, to watch. Wal laibin, so he stood aside to see or watch the game and the players. Game, lab, and laibin are the players. Li rafaja means to watch, okay, or to see. Ahmadu ili masusaf, no. बाद कलील मिनल वक्त वक़ा मोहम्मद मग़शियन अलैहि अलल अर्ज़ी अल मैदान. See, बाद कलील after some time, मिनल वक्त after some time from the time, okay, or from that time. वक़ा means fall down, Muhammad. मग़ीसन means unconscious. अलैहि अलल अर्ज़, on the ground. So after some time, Muhammad fell unconscious on the ground floor. Okay, Arzi al Maidan means ground floor or on the ground, we can say directly. Hamlahu Hamid wa Ahmad ilil mastawsaf al madrasa. Hamid and Ahmad took him to the school's clinic. See, mastawsaf generally used in the literary Arabic, but here Ayada it is written for the clinic, but Mustawsaf is the clinic. Okay, so Hamid and Ahmad took him to the school's clinic. Generally, if you will go to Saudi Arab, so you will get the Mustawsaf. Okay, they are written, not the Ayada is not written there. من سوء الخط لم يكن الطبيب موجودا في المستوصف في ذلك الوقت. See, من سوء الحظ, من سوء الحظ, unfortunately, okay, unfortunately, سوء الحظ, just remember, unfortunately, سوء الحظ, unfortunately. Lam yakun, there was not doctor. Mawjood, there was doctor was not present. Okay, so unfortunately doctor was not present in the clinic at that time. फिल मुस्तौसफ इन द फिल ज़ालिक वक्त. ओके. वसला खबरुल हादिसे इलल नाज़िर अल मदरसा. वसला मीन्स रीच्ड. ओके. खबरुल हादिसे इलल नाज़िर अल मदरसा means Nadir Madrasa means principal. The accident news reached to the school's principal. Okay. Fatalaba Muallim al-Riyaza. So he called the sports teacher. Muallim al-Riyaza, sports teacher. Qadima al-Muallim Bisura ilal Maktab al-Nazir. Sports teacher approached. Qadima, approached. Okay. Surah means fast or quickly. So sports teacher approached fast or approached quickly to the principal office. Maktab al-Nazir, principal office. Qala Nazir, principal said, Muhammad Marizun, Muhammad is sick. Alayka अन तज़हबा इल मस्तौसफ फ़ौरन लिरियाज़ा मुहम्मदिन व यल्ज़म अन तलब अल दक्तूरा शरीफन ली यफ़हसा व यूतिहु अद्दवा अल मतलूबा व इन लकम व इन लम यकुन निद्दवाउ मौजूदन फिल मुस्तौसफ इज़न तवासर फराशा व औ तालिबन इलिसैदलियाती लिशराई अद्दवा. So this is little bit big sentence. We will read it, no problem. Alayka an tazhab ilal mustawsaf. You have to take him to the clinic immediately. Mustawsaf foreign means immediately. Li riaya, to take care Muhammad. Wa yalzam, and it is important, or and you have to call the doctor. Talabtu al daktur, you have to call the doctor. Sharif. Li yafhasu, li yafhasahu wa yutlalahu al daktur, to care or to examine of him. This fahas we say to the examination. Okay. So li yafhasahu, to examine him. Take care is not very much appropriate, but it is meaning also. That's why I wrote here, but it is very much appropriate to examine of him, and he will give you wa ya tiyahu huddawa, and he will give you required medicine. Okay. And give him yatahu ad-dawa matluba, and give him required medicine. And if wa'il in lam yakun dawa mawjudan, and if the medicine is not present, and if the medicine is not present, fil mustawsaf, in the clinic. Understand? In the clinic, li yafhasahu wa yatlal al daktur matluba, then you should send office boy. No. Isn't tabas al farash aw taliban ilal sadliya. So then you send office boy. Tabas al farash means office boy. Okay. أو طالبا or the student to the pharmacy إلى الصيدلية to the pharmacy لشراء to buy دواء. Okay, to buy دواء, to buy the medicine. ويلزم أن تبقي بجانب, and you should stay with, بجانب beside or بجانب Muhammad, you stay with Muhammad حتى يفيق, till he receives or get consciousness. Yafiq means he get consciousness, okay, or he is conscious. لا تنس يا أستاذ إن محمد لاعب جيد وكذلك وهو طالب مجتهد وفوق ذلك هذه مسؤوليتنا في الوقت الحاضر. Okay, so لا تنس يا أستاذ, O teacher, don't forget an Muhammad, that Muhammad is a laibun, means player. Okay, jayyadun, very good, is a very good player, and kazalik, and as well as, kazalik means as well as, huwa talib mujtahidun, and he is hard working student. Mujtahid means hard working. Wa fawq zalik haza mas'ulatuna fil waqt al hazir, and over this it is our responsibility. Masul means responsible, mas'ulatuna, the responsibility upon us, okay, or our responsibility. Mas'ul, ana mush mas'ul, I am not responsible, okay, or ana ma mas'ul, ana la mas'ul. So means mas'ul means responsible. Mim, sin, hamza, waw, lam, mas'ul. So responsibility at the present time. Understand? At the present time. Waqt hazir, at the present time. يلزم أن لا نحمل في أداء واجبنا وطلب الناظر حامدا وقال. And it is important that we should not neglect or careless. Understand? La nuhimul means we should not neglect or careless in performing our duty. Fi ada means perform. Wajiban means duty or responsibility. Okay? Duty. And the principal called Hamid and said, wa talaba Nazir wa Hamid and qal. Alayka an tazhab ilal bayti Muhammad. Hatta tukhibra walidihi wal akhraina fi baytihi hatta yatu ilal madrasati likay yakhuzuhu ilal bayt fi riyatihim. So you should go to Muhammad's house. Alayka an tazhab ilal bayt Muhammad until tuhbuz, until Muhammad's house, to inform his parents and others in the home. To come to school, walidina wal akhrin and others. Okay? Fi baytihi, in the house, hatta until they come to home, hatta yatu ilal madrasa likali yakhuzuhu, to take care of him or to take him to the bath in the house, fi riayatihim, in their care, okay, or in his home, to come to the school, to take him to home for care, okay, riayatihim, for their care. वबाद हाजा कुल्लिही तलबा नाजिर अहमद वक़ाल लहू, and after this the principal Nazir, okay, the principal called Ahmad, and this is the end, said to him, this is the said, okay, and said to him that araftu annaka wa hamidun wa muhammadun azdaqa hamiyun. Hamiyun means very close, azdaqa, friends. So called Ahmad and said to him, I know that Hamid and Muhammad are close friends. Araftu means I know. قل لي كيف سقط محمد مخشيا عليه. You tell me, قل لي, tell me, كيف سقط, how Muhammad fell down unconscious. هل هو مریض, does he was patient or does he was sick. Tell me, how did Muhammad fell or become unconscious, was or does he was patient or was he patient, okay. Qala Ahmad, Ahmad said, Sayyidi Nazir, O principal, or O principal sir, Yabdu kazalika wa innahu lam yakul shay'an fi fatra al-istiraha. It seems that he did not eat anything in the rest time. Fi fatra al-istirahiya means rest time. Al-istiraha means rest time. Rest. Zahabna ilil Maidan, we went to the ground, and kuna nal abu Qurra al-Qadam. Qurra al-Qadami ma akhirina ma tallaba. Okay, we went to the ground and we were playing football with other students. Ma akhirin, ma minal tulba, okay, minal tulba, from other students. You know, kunna, here I made it underline. Kunna means we were, okay, that's why I wrote we were playing, okay, nalab, okay, nalab, kunna, nalab means we were playing football. Innahu lam yalab mana manabal wa waqafa janiban yatafarraju alal laib. He did not play with us, he stood. Waqafa, he stood aside. Janiban was watching. Yatafarraju was watching, okay, or looking our game. Alal lab, at the game or over the game, or watching or keeping an eye over the game. Watarifu sayadatuka annal harara shadidatun yom, and you know, sir, that the heat or the temperature is very high today. Tarufu means you know, sayadatukum You know, sir, Sayadatuka. Anna means that, Al Harara means temperature or the heat. Shadidun al Yom is very high today. Rabbumal Harara Hararatu hiyallati asrat fihi. Perhaps. Rabbuma means perhaps or maybe. It is the temperature which affected him. Harara hiyallati asrat. Asrat means affect on him. Okay? Asratu fihi on him. Affect asrat means affect. في نفس الوقت قدم معلم الرياضة وقال. At the same time, في نفس الوقت means at the same time, sports معلم الرياضة, sports teacher قدم means approached or reached and said. وقال قدم means approached or reached. Both things we can use here. Or came. Okay. Ya Sayyidi, oh sir, oh teacher, oh principal. Sayyidi Nazir, Muhammad qad afaq. Understand? Muhammad has awakened, or Muhammad has got consciousness, or Muhammad wahuwa bakhair, and he is fine. Okay, or he is good. Afaq means consciousness. Got qada consciousness. Qada afaq means got consciousness. Al amru laysa khatiran. Nothing is dangerous. Al amru, amar, there is no. Amar means there is nothing. Okay. Laysa means nothing. Khatiran, there is nothing to be dangerous, or nothing is dangerous or serious. Qala Nazir, principal said, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Al Alameen. Okay. Praise to Allah, Lord of the world. Alhamdulillahi, praise to Allah. Rabbil Alameen means Lord of the world. Wa nasaha jamiyat talaba an la ya'labu. Okay. And advised or directed. Understand? Nasaha means advised or directed to the students or to the group of the students not to play in the sun. Hatta, until, la tassaru. Understand? Fihim harara. He advised to all the students not to play in the sun or in the temperature. The heat or the temperature will not affect them. Okay. Faqala Aizan, he also said, or he said also, Alaykum tashrabu al-ma kasiran fi haza al-ayyam. Nowadays you drink very much water, or you have alaykum, you have to drink. Tashraba, he is saying for the many students, he is talking to many, so that's why tashraba, sharab means drink. Tashraba al-ma kasiran, very much water, fi haza al-ayyam, in these yoms, in these days. Waqala li Muhammad, and said to Muhammad, Alayka an tas tariha li yawmin aw yawmaini wa an taakul jayyadan. You have to take rest for a day. Li yawmi. Okay. Tastariha means you take rest. Li yawmi, for a day, or yawmin, or for 2 days, or 2 days, for a day or 2 days. Wa antakul, and to eat jayadan, and eat very much. or good. So you have to take rest for a day or 2 days and should eat well, good or very much. Anything will come here. في ذلك وقت وصل أفراد أسرة محمد. In the meantime, في ذلك وقت, in the meantime, on the same time, okay? Or in that time, Muhammad's family reached. Wasala reached. Afrad means family members. Asra means family. Muhammad. Okay. So Muhammad's family member reached. أكد لهم محمد وناظر أنه في صحف صحة جديدة. Assured them Muhammad and the principal that he is in good health. أكد lahum. Okay, assured them. Akkada means assured, lahum means them. Okay, akkada lahum, assured them, Muhammad and the principal, that he is in good health. Now, these the exercises. Tamareen, Kawan al Jamal, Mimma Yati, compose the sentence, whatever is given. Say Su al Haz. Okay, I told you this unfortunately. So, min su al haz al imtihan kana saban. Okay, soban. Unfortunately, the exam was difficult. Sob means difficult. Was kana. Min hasnul has. This is the only opposite to unfortunate. This is the fortunate. Okay, or luckily. Unluckily or unfortunately, soul has. Hasnul has, luckily or fortunately. Today, Man hasnul has kanat madarsa ghaiban al yom. Fortunately, today there was no school today. Ghaib al yom. Okay, ghaib means there was no school. Al yom today. Mustashfa al-Madina, Muzdahim Daiman. Muzdahim means busy. So, city hospital remains busy or crowded. Qurra al-Qadam, football. Qurra al-Qadam, Riyaza al-Almiya. Football is an international game. Riyaza al-Almiya, international game. Qurra al-Yad means handball. Akhi yahabbu qurra al-yad. My brother likes handball. Or akhi yahibbu qurra al-yad jiddan. My brother likes very much handball. Qurra salla, basketball. Qurra salla, laba, masliya. Understand? Masliya means entertaining. So, basketball is an entertaining game. Qurra al-ma, water ball. Yalab an-nas, people play. Qurra al-ma, water ball. Kasiran, very much, fil safe in the summer. So, many people play water ball very much in the summer. Or very much people play water ball in the summer. Now, fitra al-istiraha, resting time. So, Zartaj fi fitra, Nartaj fi fitra, fitratul istiraha. We take rest during break time. Now the second, Kavan Jamal Mimma Yati, compose the sentences whatever is given. What is lan yaqdam wa? Okay. Now we have to use this in the sentence. Aqarabi means my relatives. Lan yaqdamba, relatives coming here. So yaqdamba will come means plural with the plural. Yaqdamba fil hafli means in my my party, okay, or in my ceremony. My relatives did not reach or not reached in my party. Lam yaqdam means did not reach or not reached. Atamni an tajah means atamni, I pray or I hope your success. Understand? To your success. Qalat ammi, said my mother, atamni, I wish, atamni, I wish, I hope, I wish an tanjih, to your success in hayatak, in your life, in dunya, in this world, and akhirah, and the after, hereafter. So my mother said, I hope you will get success in your life, in this world, and after, hereafter. Hatta yatkun, hatta yaktubun. التلاميذ لن يخرجن من الصف حتى يكتبن الدرس. Students will not go out. يخرجن, لن يخرجن will not go out. حتى يكتبن, until they write. Okay, so student will not go out of the class until they write the lesson. Understand? Now hawalat an atsal. Hawalat means I tried, and atsal to contact. I tried to reach or to approach or to contact. Understand? So what will be here? You can write anything. This hawalat an atsal bi waldi lil isha. I tried to contact to my father for the lunch. Understand? Or I called to my father, or I contacted to my father for the lunch. Yalzam and nahtaram, we have to respect. Yalzam and nahtaram, we have to respect. Okay, or it is important to respect. Yalzam and nahtaram walidaina, we must respect our parents. Walidaina, our parents. Now here sarraf, faal, tali, mal, istiqdam, lan marra, marra ukhra. Understand? What is this here? This is the use in the plural form. So this is the, see, little bit lengthy. Yashtarak, this. So there are in Arabic, as you know, this is the singular, wahid. Plural means dual, two, and plural means more than two. Okay. So lan yashtarak, this is the third person. He did not participated. Lan yashtarka, we will use for the two, lan yashtarka. For the more than three, lan yashtarkawa. Same like this, it will become, this is the male, understand? And female also, we can say lan tashtarak, lan tashtarka for two, dual, and for plural lan yashtarkun. Understand? Lan yashtarkan or yashtarkunna. Now second person, lan tashtarak, second person means you. And first person, third person, he or they or she. So lan tashtarka, dual for dual, lan tashtarkawa for plural. Same like this for the feminine noun, lan tashtarki for second person means for you, if you are talking with the, speaking with the, or talking with the girl. Lan tashtarka for two girls, for more than two girls. Lan तश्तरकुन. Okay, lan tashtarkun or lan tashtarkunna. Now first person I and me, I and we, mutakallim, lan ashrak. Understand? Lan ashrak. Same thing, whatever this feminine noun or masculine noun, an ashrak. There is no dual, understand? And there is no plural. Only plural will come, lan tashrak. Lan nashtarak or lan nashtarak. Same thing will come, both dual and plural. We did not participate, we did not participate it. Now Ajab an Asla al Talia, answer the following question. Man yaskun fil harra sakina wahida, who was living with the same residential unit. Yaskan Ahmad Hamid wa Muhammad fi harra sakina wahida. Maza hasal li Muhammad, what happened to Muhammad? So waqa Muhammad Maghisa, Muhammad fell down unconscious alayhi on the ground floor or on the ground. Aina zahaba bihi Ahmad wa Hamid, where went Hamid and Ahmad? Understand? Maza Aina zahaba Hamid and Muhammad and this to the Mastusaf. Zahaba Hamid wa Muhammad li Mastawsaf, to the clinic. Maza Fal Nazir, what did the principal? Ahtamam al Nazir bi Qaziya Muhammad Ahtamam Shakhsiya. Principal personally cared about Muhammad's care. Ahtamam Shakhsiya means Muhammad's Ahtamam Shakhsiya, personal care. Maza Qal al Nazir lil Tulda fil Nihaya, what said principal to the students in the end or in the last? Qal al Nazir, Nazir said, Alaykum an la ta'alabu fil shams la tawsar wan yashraku al mal kasira. Principal said to the student, you should not play in the sun, so it will not affect you, and la tawsar not affect you. You should drink lot of water. So students, it was our 13th chapter of grade 10 of CBSE school. Thank you very much and wait for the next chapter. Bye bye.